The Pilgrim and the Nun is a modern conversation about life's spiritual journeys. Life is a pilgrimage, a long journey to foreign places within ourselves. As part of this adventure, we will encounter others and hopefully contribute to their happiness and well-being. In order to do that successfully, we should constantly seek new or expanded perspectives about ourselves, others, nature, or a higher good. Through this experience, we strive to emerge as better human beings. A pilgrim cannot do without the help of a guide, someone who will encourage, cajole, speak sweetly, and educate along the journey. The Pilgrim and the Nun is a modern conversation about life's spiritual journeys. Modern life can be complex and complicated. It's a juggling act on a journey in which we constantly discover things about ourselves and encounter others. Applying ancient wisdom to real life may seem irrelevant or impossible. However, time-tested methods and traditions are still relevant and valuable today. Knowing how to use them in modern life will free you and others. The Nun and the Pilgrim is a modern conversation about life's spiritual journeys.